Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to explain the project Employing Blockchain in Agriculture. Introduction. A project's goal is to improve the security and efficiency of farming and crop sales by migrating crop sale details to blockchain technology. Traditional centralized servers have inherent weaknesses, including vulnerability to tampering, susceptibility to crashes or cyber attacks, and the potential for unauthorized access and data manipulation. To address these drawbacks, the project is implementing a decentralized blockchain technology. Blockchain is like a digital ledger that records transactions securely and transparently. Instead of having all the data in one place, blockchain stores records as blocks of data, each with a unique code called a hash. These blocks are distributed across multiple computers or nodes, making it much harder for anyone to tamper with the data or compromise the entire system. Blockchain offers several advantages. First, it is decentralized, meaning the data isn't stored in one vulnerable location. Second, it enhances security because the data is stored in encrypted format that is very difficult to alter or hack. Third, it promotes transparency as all transactions are recorded and visible to authorized users. Fourth, it ensures data immutability, meaning once something is recorded in the blockchain, it can't be easily changed. Finally, it is resilient to failures because even if some nodes go down, others continue to maintain the data. Objective of the project. So, as I mentioned earlier, our first objective is to bolster the security of agricultural crop sale information by transitioning to blockchain technology. This means that all data related to crop sales will be stored in a way that makes it extremely difficult for anyone to tamper with or compromise. And to safeguard this data, we aim to employ SHA-256 encryption algorithm within the blockchain. This encryption serves as a robust protective measure. Each piece of data is associated with a unique code called a hash to ensure its integrity. And another key objective is to ensure the legitimacy and security of all transactions on our blockchain. We achieve this by implementing a proof of work verification system. This system verifies each transaction, maintaining the reliability and safety of the data stored in the blockchain. Requirements needed to execute this project are hardware requirements, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 8GB and above, ROM of 25GB and above. Software requirements needed are Node.js, Python 3.7.0 and Visual Studio Community version. To execute this project, we have designed few modules. The first module is New User Sign Up. In this module, users can register and create new accounts to access the system. Users specify their role as farmers, distributors, retailers, consumers, or millers during the sign-up process. And we have designed different modules for different users. So the first module is Upload Crop Details. Here, farmers can input and upload comprehensive information about their crops, including crop types, quantities, and images. The second module is Fertilizers or Pesticide Info. In this module, farmers can access information about fertilizers and pesticides, helping them make informed decisions about crop care. The third module is View Orders. Here, farmers can view and manage incoming orders placed by distributors, retailers, consumers, and millers for their crops. The fourth module is Browse Products. Here, these users, distributor, retailer, or consumers can browse the available crop products listed by farmers. They can view details such as crop types, quantities, and prices. The next module is Place Orders. In this module, these users can select desired crops. They are provided with a click here link. By clicking on it, users can place orders for purchase. This initiates the buying process. The next module is Purchase Products from Farmer. Here, millers can explore and purchase crops from registered farmers. They can select the crops they wish to buy and initiate the procurement process. The last module is Sale to Consumer. In this module, millers can fulfill orders placed by consumers. They ensure the crops are delivered to the end users, therefore closing the transaction loop. Blockchain integration. The integration of blockchain technology fortified by the robust SHA-256 algorithm, that is Secure Hash Algorithm 256-bit encryption, brings a higher level of data security to the project. Each block in a blockchain is linked with a unique hash code generated using SHA-256 algorithm. These blocks are maintained across multiple nodes or servers. Before storing new records, Blockchain verifies the hash code of previous blocks. If any block data is modified, it results in a different hash code, triggering security alarms and ensuring the integrity and immutability of the data. The project utilizes a proof of work (POW) system in the blockchain network to thoroughly authenticate and secure transactions. When a user initiates a transaction, like buying crops, POW mandates computational work acting as a safeguard against unauthorized or fraudulent activities. Once a transaction passes POW verification, it becomes an unchangeable part of the blockchain, strengthening data integrity and security, building trust and enhancing reliability. All transaction data, including comprehensive crop details and purchase orders, is securely stored on the blockchain, contributing to transparency and data integrity. The blockchain's decentralized nature reduces the risk of single point of failure and enhances resilience. This transparent and tamper-resistant ledger ensures that all participants in the agriculture ecosystem can access and verify transaction histories, fostering trust and accountability. The secure storage of data on the blockchain also protects against data loss due to server crashes or cyber attacks, adding an extra layer of reliability to the project. Execution of the project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. So this is agriculture folder. Inside this folder are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. This is agriculture app folder. This folder comprises a static folder which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. An agriculture app folder also contains a templates folder. Within this folder, we'll find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html and more, representing various sections of the website. And it also contains Python code files that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. This is images folder in which I have these images which will be loaded into the application later. And these are Python main code files. This is manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations, and more. And this is run.bat file. Instead of executing the project through command line interface, we have created Windows bat file to execute the project. Double-click on it to start the Django application. So the Django framework will host the application locally at the default address, local host, and port unless configured differently. Now copy the local link provided by the framework. I'm copying it and paste it into any web browser. I prefer Chrome. After pasting it, type index.html at the end and hit the enter button. So the home page of the project has been displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Django framework, and here we can see user login and new user sign up links. If we are new users, we have to register first. Click on new user sign up link. So fill in all these details. The username would be Ram. Give the password. Give the contact number. Give the email ID. Give the address. So we have to select the user type from the drop down. I'm giving it as farmer. Now click on register button. So the user details have been saved to blockchain in encrypted format, and we can see the block number in which the details have been saved, and we can see the previous hash and the current hash associated with the block. Now click on user login link. So give the previously mentioned credentials here. Select the user type as farmer. Now click on login button. So we have logged in as farmer Ram, and here we can see upload crop details, fertilizers or pesticide info, view orders and logout links. Click on upload crop details link. So here farmer can add new crop details to the application. Fill in all these details. The crop name would be paddy. Give the quantity, I'm giving it as 1000. Give the crop price, I'm giving it as 200. Crop description would be good quality. So we have to upload the crop image here. Click on choose file button. So from images folder, I'm selecting this image and click on open. So we have filled in all these details. Now click on upload crop details button. So the crop details have been added to the blockchain and we can see the block related details here. Now click on fertilizers or pesticide info link. So here farmers can view crop names and required fertilizers or pesticides. Now click on view orders link. So here we can see there are no orders placed yet by consumers. Now click on logout. Now click on new user sign up link. Fill in all these details. The username would be Ravi. Give the password. Give the contact number. Give the email ID. Give the address. Select the user type from the drop down. This time I'm giving it as distributor or retailer or consumer. Now click on register button. So the user details have been saved to blockchain and we can see the block related details here. Now click on user login link. Give the previously mentioned credentials. The username is Ravi. Give the password. Select the user type. Now click on login button. So we have logged in as Ravi and here we can see browse products and logout links. Click on browse products link. So here users can search for products. Select the crop name from the drop down here. I'm giving it as paddy. Now click on search button. So here we can see the list of crop available with the product name paddy. And here we can see farmer name, crop name, price, quantity, description, image, and we can see a click here link in this column. By clicking on it, we can place the order for that product. I'm clicking on click here link. So in the red color text, we can see the order details have been saved to blockchain and we can see the block related details here. Now click on logout. Now again click on new user sign up link. Fill in all these details again. So the username would be Raghu. Give the password. Give the contact number. Give the email ID. Give the address. So select the user type. I'm giving it as Miller this time and now click on register button. So the user details have been saved in the blockchain and we can see the block related details, that is block number in which the details have been saved, the previous hash and the current hash associated with the block. Now click on user login link. We'll log in as Miller this time. So give the credentials, username and password of Miller. So the username is Raghu. Give the password. Select the user type as Miller. Now click on login. So we have logged in as Miller Raghu and here we can see purchase products from farmer, sale to consumer and logout links. Click on purchase products from farmer link. So here we can see a view product screen. Select the crop name from the drop down and click on search button. So here we can see the available products with product name paddy and here we can see the farmer name, crop name, price, quantity, description, image, and here we can see a click here link. By clicking on it we can place the order. So I'm clicking on click here link. So in red color text we can see the order details have been saved to blockchain. We can see the block related details here. Now click on sale to consumer link. So here the Miller can sell the products purchased to other consumers. So select the crop name from the drop down. Give the consumer name. I'm giving it as Ravi. Give the quantity. Now click on sale button. So the order details have been added to the blockchain and we can see the block related details here. Now click on logout. Now we'll log in as farmer again. Click on user login link. Give the credentials, username and password of farmer. Select the user type from the drop down as farmer. Now click on login. So we have logged in as farmer Ram, and here we can see a view orders link. Click on it. So here we can see orders placed by millers, distributors, consumers, and we can see the product name, the order from, contact number, email ID, address, user type and order date. So by checking these details, the farmer can complete the order. Now click on logout. So the conclusion here is the project harnessed the power of blockchain technology, particularly SHA-256 encryption algorithm, to greatly enhance the security of agricultural crop sale details. By utilizing blockchain's distinct hash codes and decentralized storage, the project achieved data immutability. This ensures that information remains intact and reliable, maintaining its integrity over time. The introduction of a blockchain-based online application streamlined transactions for farmers, distributors, millers and consumers, resulting in improved efficiency and transparency within the agricultural ecosystem. And the integration of a proof-of-work POW verification system provided an additional layer of data validation, further reinforcing the integrity and security of the information stored within the project's blockchain. And this project not only strengthened data security but also empowered participants in the agricultural sector, fostering trust, accountability and operational efficiency across the supply chain. It signifies a substantial advancement in the industry's progress.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.